For the tossers and turners, the partners of snorers, the midnight warriors, the alarm hurlers, we're for you. We're for everybody. Because we could all use better sleep. Meet the new Hatch Restore. Designed by sleep experts and personalized for you, Restore combines soothing sleep sounds, a soft bedside light, and a sunrise alarm clock so you can get your best sleep naturally. When you're ready for bed, start your personal sleep routine and wind down in the way that works for you. So you can fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling restored. Because better nights make for better days. And better sleep makes for a better you. Hatch Restore, because we could all use better sleep.